often get asked by clients how to deal with issues where you've gone to a supplier and bought something in the shop and you've taken something back and returned it and they've given you a credit note and then you've bought something new. Because obviously on the bank, there's just going to be probably most of the time there'll be one transaction. So in this case with Sarah's Marketing Magic, which is our demo account, if I go in here, I can see that there's been £6 paid out to Tesco's. So let's presume that you went to Tesco's and took something back and they gave you a £4 refund and then you bought something else for £10. So the net effect of those two things are that you would have had to pay them £6. You would also have two receipts in this demo. I'm not going to attach receipts, but say, for example, you had a receipt which says £4 refund and a receipt that said £10 that you paid for the new item. So what you would do is you would click on the red item, and the first thing that you'd have to do is deal with the refund. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into more options. We're going to go down. You won't have all of this. This is only here because it's a dummy account. It's not real. So you're going to basically just see this. And instead of picking from money out, you're going to go down to the money in, and you're going to say that you have received a refund. And as I just said, I believe the refund was for £4. You're going to look at the receipt and see if there's VAT on it. If there is VAT on it, you're going to put 20%. If there isn't VAT on it, you're going to put 0. It's important that you put the VAT down on refunds as well as on spending, because you've literally not had to spend the VAT on this item. So you do have to tell the HMRC about that. In this case, I'm going to say that it is stationery, and then I'm going to describe it as pad that was returned, or something that was refunded, so that when you go back and have a look at this later on, you will remember what happened. I would then attach the receipt by selecting a file and attaching it, and then I would create the explanation. So what this has done is it has changed the £6 that you paid out, and it's made the free agent realise that you actually was given a refund of £4, so that the amount that you now have to allocate against a receipt is £10. And that's good because that's how much the other item cost. So you now have a red item, a red line that's been created of £10, and it's very easy to say that's a payment, it's 20% back. This is also going to go to stationery, and we're going to change it to Tesco's free pack of pads. And we're going to attach the receipt and explain the transaction. So now from one line that was £6, you now have one line that says you've had a £4 refund and one line that says you have a £10 that you've spent. Both of the receipts have been attached, both of the items have been explained, and that's resolved the problem. I hope that helps.